What's up, Honda Bros, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be featuring a celebrity car because this car was featured in YOKOHAMA.ca, and you can check that link that I will be posting in the description below. Enough of me talking, let's get to it.
Hey guys, my name is Jeff and I'm the owner of this S2000. This was the Yokohama show car from way back in the days from a buddy of mine who built it. This car is now under my possession, and instead of being a show car, it's now a track car. This is a 2005 Honda S2000. The stuff that's done to it exterior wise to make it this aggressive is a Voltex front bumper, a Cybon hood, downforce front fenders which have been extended an additional 35 millimeters. See, with the Voltex bumper we only got the street kit, which comes with this less aggressive front skirt. Rear has been rolled and pulled plus 30 to give it this flat underlining here, also to allow for me to run very aggressive wheel setup. Also got a J's Racing wing with 350 millimeter custom stands. We chose a J's Racing wing because J's Racing works with Voltex and with their wings, and because this is a Honda, we decided to go with the J's to continue with the Honda theme. With the original wing stands, we found that it did not clear the spoon hardtop, so we opted for some custom wing stands that are 350 millimeter tall. To the hardtop, reasons being we didn't choose either Mugen or an OEM hardtop was because on the spoon hardtop, it was the only hardtop wind tunnel tested to increase top speed on track. From the back here, we have a JIC titanium exhaust connected to a T1R resonated test pipe in the middle. We got a T1R tow hook, and also back to the wing, I forgot to mention, these cables here were actually needed because the wing stands here were too tall. So over any little bump or whatnot at what kind of speed, these would shake from side to side. So to the wheel setups up front here, it's an 18 by 8.5 plus 35 super speed rim. Behind it, I'm running 15 mil spacers with an AP Racing big brake kit from Evasive. The tires on the vehicle are Michelin Pilot Super Sports running 255 35 18s. The suspension setup underneath here is KWV3s with SBC ball joints and Cusco sway bars front and rear. Reasons being we went with the KWs was because it was the most bang for buck, most adjustable coilover we can get for the money, as long as the same reasons for the braking setup. Why we chose AP Racing over Brembo and StopTech was because Formula One are using AP Racing. So if it's good enough for Formula One, it's good enough for local track days for us. And under the hood is fairly stock. Reason being we left it stock was we're still very unfamiliar with the reliability and cooling of this car on track. Only mods done under the here was a spoon strut power bar, Sake bomb radiator, Canon intake, J's Racing valve cover, and a few spoon and J's socks and oil cap. The battery in the front has been relocated into the trunk, and also the J's Racing coolant hoses to go with the radiator. Inside the interior, we have a Cusco 6-point roll cage. We chose the Cusco cage because one, it's going to save us in case of a rollover, and two, because it just looks great with the blue paint on it. We chose Sparkle Sprint bucket seats on Buddy Club sliders. We got a Nardi steering wheel with a custom billet adapter. And so far that's about it.
That wraps up our video for today, guys. I want to say a special thank you to Jeff for coming out and showing us his car, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. What do you guys think of his S2000? This is a celebrity S2000. Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.